Welcome everyone to Gamer Meld. Today I've got confirmation of that second next-gen Xbox, the official release date for Nvidia's next-gen, and tons of specs leaked that make Ampere look to be a monster. But first, head to kit.co/gamermeld where I give you suggestions for PC hardware, and today I've added the ultimate $1,000 build for Cyberpunk 2077. I will say that I suggest waiting for Big Navi in the RTX 3000 series, which I'll get to in a minute, but for anyone looking to build now, check that out in the description below. Okay, it's news time, and first up for today, it looks like that earlier rumor we saw about an upcoming next-gen Xbox with lower specs called the Xbox Series S were real. The upcoming console was found in a recently leaked controller by Zach S on Twitter. As you can see, it's in the documentation where the sheet mentions Xbox Series X and S. Basically, it's coming. Next up for today, we have what is almost guaranteed to be the announcement date of Nvidia's upcoming RTX 3000 series of GPUs. In a recent Twitter post by Nvidia GeForce themselves, they shared a video of nothing but a 9-second explosion and ticking sounds with the hashtag Ultimate Countdown. What's better is that if we go to their profile, you can see that their background pic says the Ultimate Countdown 21 days, 21 years. Looking at 21 days, that would put a release date for Ampere, given this is talking Ampere, for August 31st. Of course, we don't know for sure, but I mean, come on, it's Nvidia GeForce teasing it, so it's definitely gaming related. We knew it was coming soon, and they changed all of their pictures to reference the launch. As for the 21 years, that's the same date in 1999 that the GeForce 256 was released. And if all that's not enough, Gamers Nexus recently claimed that we can expect the RTX 3000 series on or around September 9th. Maybe August 31st is a paper launch with the release September 9th, that or a tease, then the release date for September 17th like we heard before. I'm not exactly sure, but one thing is clear, they're coming soon. Which means more accurate leaks, and luckily there's a huge one. The story was originally reported by WCCF Tech, who's claiming to have exclusive info on Nvidia's upcoming lineup. Unfortunately, I will say that these are unnamed sources, so as always, it's good to keep some skepticism, but the closer we get to release, the better leaks get. Either way, starting things off, it seems like Nvidia is yet to confirm the naming of their next-gen products, making that August 31st date definitely seem like an announcement. Of course, we've been hearing RTX 3000, but Nvidia has allegedly changed naming in the past just to discredit leakers. Next up, they did provide some specs, but they're based on the board and what they're replacing since we don't have the final names. First up, we have the PG132-10, which is set to replace the RTX 2080 Ti, and apparently it comes with 24GB of video RAM. Yeah, you heard that right, 24. All I can think is that there's something new that requires a ton of memory, or it's simply a monster. Next up are the PG132-20 and PG132-30 boards, and I think this is where the RTX 3090 makes sense. Both of these are replacing the RTX 2080 Super, and according to them, the PG132-20 comes with a whopping 20GB of VRAM, while the PG132-30 comes with 10. So the 20GB version could be the RTX 3080 Ti, and the 24GB would be the 3090, while the 10GB model would be, say, the 3080. Of course, we don't know the final name, but that definitely makes sense of the rumors. The next two boards are the PG142-0 and PG142-10, and they're set to replace the RTX 2070 Super. The PG142-0 comes with a whopping 16GB of video RAM, while the PG142-10 comes with 8. Finally is the PG190-10, which is set to replace the RTX 2060 Super, and it comes with 8GB of VRAM. As for release dates, WCCF Tech claims the 24GB, 10GB, and 8GB cards are set to release in the second half of September. That would obviously be the final release with the announcement in August, or maybe Nvidia is simply trying to prove these leaks wrong. Who knows? Either way, the 20GB board is expected in the first half of October, and they aren't sure about the others. As for these specs, all I can say is wow. The fact that they've got lower end cards with more RAM leads me to believe we may see something like higher end cards without ray tracing or something along those lines. I don't know. Let's just say they're probably expensive. So while that does it for today, are you pumped for next gen Ampere, or are you scared for your wallet? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.